Excited today to announce yet another wonderful benchmark for the city of Bridgeport, where we're able to help people get better food, we're able to get them better food distribution, and we're able to create jobs right here in Bridgeport. And it's because of the hard work of many of the people here that are with us today from LifeBridge. And they have their board members, they have their partners with Lindley Catering and Park City Communities, and Wholesome Wave. Where's the Wholesome Wave? I think she had to leave.
Connecticut Food Bank.
And the Connecticut Food Bank. And this is generating better food distribution, better food for people who need it, better, healthier food, and jobs on top of it. So it gives me a great deal of pleasure to brag about the fact that almost $1 million is coming to the city of Bridgeport to help people eat healthier, to help get the distribution of food better, and to create jobs. In addition to that, we're also reveling a little bit in the fact that Robert Wood Johnson has seen all these wonderful things going on at LifeBridge and the city of Bridgeport, and they've even given us another $25,000, which is going to help us to position the city of Bridgeport as one of the greenest, most healthy cities in the country. So it's a great day for Bridgeport, and here with more of the details is the director of LifeBridge, Bill Haas.
Thank you, Mayor. Good afternoon, everybody, and thanks so much for coming. We are very pleased about this grant. It gives us an opportunity. LifeBridge Community Services is very much interested in the health, social, the emotional, and the economic health of the people that we serve. Many of the folks that come to us have multiple challenges, and including the accessibility to healthy foods to help their lives better. And so we felt that this was an opportunity for us to be able to enhance our service to people, to be able to bring together some very key partners and address not only the health issues that face some of the people that we serve, but also, as the mayor mentioned, that this grant opportunity will allow us to create up to 48 jobs in the city of Bridgeport, some of which connected directly to the project, and some of which can be directly connected to other services that we provide. LifeBridge Community Services has been around in the community for 166 years. We most recently, though, rebranded, and we hope that our name talks about what we're in business to do, and that is to help people move from point A to point B to become more self-sufficient, more productive, and more healthy. And we feel with the creation of this project, in which we will procure healthy food, vegetables, and fruit, and bring them and package them and deliver them to 4 different distribution sites in the city of Bridgeport. When we were investigating this project, speaking with many of the folks, and we were amazed at the number of groups and people involved with this project, one of the things that was missing, and the piece that we wanted to be unique about our project, is that we will in fact deliver prepackaged boxes of fruit and vegetables to 4 different locations, distribution sites. 2 with Park City Communities. We'll also be using the AME Zion Church in the south end of Bridgeport, and also one of our distribution centers will be LifeBridge Community Services as well. We also, in addition to providing the food, we will provide recipes, we will be doing health education, and also from time to time bringing in a traveling chef to actually demonstrate the preparation of some of the vegetables that we will be providing that can be used for healthy meals. So we are very thrilled to be part of this project. We are very thrilled to be one of the new coming organizations to join this collaborative in Bridgeport, which consists of many of the representatives here, but also a number of other folks in the community, in addition to hoping that we'll be able to source some of our food from some of the local farmers markets, the local farmers here in Connecticut, to support Connecticut's economy as well. So we're very pleased to be here. We thank you for being here to celebrate with us, and we'll be back in about 6 months to talk about our launch and how we're going to make this happen. So thank you very much.
I think we might have missed one thing, and I know the press is going to want to know where the money came from. This is from Health and Human Services in Washington,
Right, yep.
Part of President Obama's effort to help Americans eat your broccoli. Eat your broccoli and like it. But get us to eat healthier. So, any questions?
How does it get to the consumer or the end user?
And who is the end user?
So the end users are people in the city of Bridgeport, many of whom are low, moderate income folks who don't have access to the healthy fruits and vegetables. So there's a term that's used called food deserts, and food deserts are geographic areas where people don't have access to the healthy, nutritious food, not having a major supermarket or source there. So our goal is to work with some of our partners to actually source the food. We will be asking people to pre-order. We'll package it. And that's part of how we'll create some jobs as well, and then bring boxes of food similar to what you're seeing here to one of our 4 distribution sites and bring it right to the individual. So it won't be a door-to-door delivery, but it will be to separate locations. We're starting with 4. We are looking to also increase to get a distribution site in the East End, which is probably the most low accessible area, really truly a food desert in Bridgeport.
So is there a way that they contact you, or do you reach out to them?
We'll be creating a marketing plan, an outreach plan, not only through our organization, but through Park City Communities and other networks, churches in the area, letting them know that this is available, and they'll be able to order it ahead of time, and then it will be delivered to them at those 4 distribution sites.
And does the city have a role at all in this, or is it
It's,
mostly under your office?
well, it's under our auspices, but we're doing it in collaboration with the network in this city, including the city's health department, that's had various roles in healthy education in the schools and the community. So we're fitting into that network and just providing another piece of what's needed.
And this money, I'm sorry, this might be in the release, this money gets you how far? How long does the
3 years.
program last?
It's a three-year funding. But we also, since we'll be selling the fruits and the vegetables and creating it as a social enterprise, we will derive revenue from that to keep the food distribution piece open. The other part of the grant will help us not only with the startup of the business, but also in helping to create jobs.
So you're obviously hoping this extends beyond the initial 3 years?
Exactly. And there will be, as other funding opportunities come along to supplement it, we'll be taking advantage of those hopefully as well. So we'd like to broaden the scope of this from when it starts.